Welcome to Smart Architect Consult. So in our previous videos we did how to draw a new project in Revit software. We started with doing our accommodation schedule, doing our dimensions we are going to use. We did our design brief. We also did the planning of the space. We did the plan itself, and also we label our plan, insert the windows, and also we inserted a doors in our project. Okay, so we go to how to design our stairs, how to insert our stairs in the project. But then before we delve into that, we move ahead and did a video on how to design a stairs in Revit software, how to design stairs. So if you haven't watched the video, please go to our videos, go to playlists under Revit tips and under Revit tutorials or Revit lesson. You will see how to design stairs. You watch the video and you know how to design the stairs and how to calculate for your stairs, because until you watch that you'll be lost, because you need some information in that video so that it will help you to also follow with whatever that we are going to do here. Okay, so before we start, if you are new to this channel or today is your first time of watching our videos, you can hit on the like button, comment in the comment section anything that you are confused about or any topic that you want us to discuss about, and also you can hit on the subscribe button and the notification button so that you'll be updated on our next videos. Okay, so let's start. So in this video we are going to insert our stairs in the project. We are going to insert our component as well, and we are going to move ahead and design our slab, and also we are going to design the some of the facades for the ground floor. Some of the facade we are going to do the foundation, the stairs for the outside. Then we start with our planning of the first floor. So we are going to plan the first floor today. Okay, so let's start. So earlier on I said we are going to place our stairs here. So now you can see that if you didn't save the project, if you are following with us, once we finish with a video you can save your Revit project. Then the next time that you want to continue, you just open the project, then you continue. Okay, I think this one will be helpful for you. Okay, so let me adjust the floor. To adjust it, then I'll use, if you want to join two lines like I said, you can use trim. So TR, that's the shortcut, TR. You can come here, this is what you have, trim, click, select. Okay, and I'll check here. Okay, we have one problem to solve. Okay, so now before we start designing our stairs, let's go to our elevation. So north, I'll use the south, double click. So let me push this one to the side so that you see whatever that I'm talking about. I'm pushing it to this side so that everything will be easier for you. Okay, so now I I think everything is okay. So you can see that the room height, the level that's starting from the floor level to the first floor is what, 3000 mm, including the 300 mm for the raise, like the height we raise the building. Okay, so the height we use to raise the building is 300 mm. Then from the final floor, the FL means final floor, to the first floor height or the ceiling height is what, 3000. That one is 3000, including the height that we use to raise the building will make 3000 mm. So that means our room height is what, 3000 mm. So we are going to use the calculation we did in that video to draw the stairs here. So since we have 3000 mm, so our room height is equal to what, 3000 mm. So we are going to divide the room height by the riser. So the riser, I said in the video, said we are going to use 150. That's the standard. So if I divide, okay, so room height divided by riser, so it's equal to 3000 divided by 150. That's going to give you 20. So now your risers will be what, 20. You are going to use 20 risers. So if 20 equals the risers, then our overall thread is going to be 19. So the thread is the riser minus 1. That will give you the thread. So since we have 20 risers, minus 1 will give you 19 for the overall thread. Okay, so the overall thread, we also have the landing in that overall thread. So we are going to subtract 1 for the landing. So the landing, if you don't know how or what we call the landing, if you watch the video we did earlier on, you understand what landing is, what riser is, what thread is. You get it? So if you haven't watched the video, I kindly urge you to go to our videos, or I'll put the link in the description. So you check in the description, you watch that video, how to design stairs in Revit software. You check that video, you watch it, you understand. Then you come back to this video, then you follow with us. Okay, so the landing will be equal to 1. So since the landing is equal to 1, the actual thread that we are going to use will be equal to what, 18. Sure. So 18. So with this test, or with this project, the stairs, we are going to use dog leg. We have straight stairs, we have several types of stairs, but we are going to use dog leg. So the dog leg, it has 2 straight stairs side by side, connected by what, landing. So if we have 18 thread, actual thread, meaning one side of the stairs will be what? Straight stairs will be 9, and the other side of the straight stairs too will be 9, making what? 18. Then it will be connected by the one landing. To be connected by the one landing, that will be the overall thread 19. Automatically you get your 20 risers. Okay, so before we start, let's go to architecture, go to stairs, click that, then we use this straight stairs. We come here, then we draw. Stand here, somewhere here, we draw. Okay, stand somewhere here. We draw. But you have to check the base level. The base level is starting from what? Ground floor. We don't like that because we are starting from the final floor. So we are going to select the FL, apply. You get it, yes. Then you select here. You go to edit. We need to change. Go to edit. Yes, so the maximum riser height you have to change it to 150 because you are using 150. Then the minimum thread dimension you have to use 300. Then our minimum run rate, since this is residential, we are going to use 900. Select okay. Then I come down to the actual thread. I change it to what? 300. Okay, so I have to make sure that this one is in line with this. Okay. So now this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have to add 4 to it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I have to adjust this one to be in line so that it will be 18. Okay, so let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So now we have our 18 threads. So this is the landing that I was talking about. This is the landing. So the landing is what? 1. Yes. So the dimension of the landing, change it to 1000. Okay. Yes. Now we have designed the stairs. Tick. Okay. You have to change the width of the stairs. So I'll select this, change it to 900. Select this one as well, and double click. Select this one, change it to 900. Let me check this one. Okay, 900. So I'll push this one to the left side to be in line. Yes. I think everything is on point, so I'll check. Then I'll bring my stairs down. Okay, so this is the stairs. So meaning you have to relocate our kitchen door. Let me bring it here. Okay, sure. Okay, so this this is what we have for our. So let's go to the 3D and check. So the 3D, you can go to the menu or you can go to the project browser. So you can go to the menu where we have the default 3D, you click on it. Let's check. So this is our stairs. You see that the base is not sitting on the floor, so I have to come back to the base offset, change it to -150, apply. Okay, I want this side to be sit on the floor, so I have to adjust it. So let me choose 300, -300. Okay, sure. So this is what we have. So once again, I don't need the railings here. I don't need this railing because let me go to the plan. This one is attached to the wall, so I will not need any railings. Delete the railings. Select. So I'll go to select it here and delete. Okay, sure. So what I'll need is here. The railing I'll need is here, but I don't like this type of railing. You see what we used here? So I'm going to use the same thing here. So I'll just select the railing, go to the property, change the railing. What we have, the glass panel bottom floor, I'll select that. Okay, so I prefer this one. Okay, so now we have our stairs, we have everything inside, so we can move ahead and insert our components. So if you want to normal your stairs, you just select the stairs, then you go to annotate and go to architecture. Oh, why this one is not showing? It's supposed to show. I don't know why. To manage, okay, so if you go to annotate, this here, so the thread number, you select that and you come somewhere here. So I'll number it. And see that we have 20 risers. The 20 risers that we have here, there is it. Okay, so now I've numbered my stairs. So let's move ahead and insert our component in the project. So before we insert the component, let's go to architecture. Once again, the shortcut is what? CM. the shortcut is CM. So I can go to architecture and go to components, then go to load family, or I'll just hit CM on the keyboard, because the shortcut, it helps you to work faster. So CM on the keyboard, go to load family. So I'm going to bring in the bed for the guest house or the guest bedroom. So I'll go to furniture, okay, beds, and I'll go to bed standard, click on it. Okay, do that again. So yes, so I'm going to position the bed this way. I think here is okay. Yes, then I'm going to bring in my sofa. So the same method, CM, load family, go to seating, sofa, click that. So where I have my living area, I'll just bring in my sofa, so somewhere here. Okay, so this one is okay. I'll bring the name somewhere here. So meaning our television is going to be here, then our dining table will be here. So I'll go to load family, CM, components, go back, go to tables where we have the dining sets or dining table, choose that. Now I'll bring my dining table here. Sorry, I think I have to connect my charger. Okay, I've connected the charger. So I'll click here, then push it back a little bit. Okay, so this is where my dining set will be. Okay, so let me bring in table for the study room. So CM, load family. So the desk face this, I'll bring in our face it. So somewhere here. There is okay. I'll bring 1, 2 here. Now bring in some chair, office chair. So CM, load family, seating. So chair tax, choose that one, bring in some chair here. think we should push this one to this side, to the corner. But you can download corner counter or the corner office decks, you get it, so that this space will cover here, so it will be something like this L shape, you get it here. But me, I'm going to use this for 2 people. So I'm left with the components for the kitchen and also the bathroom. So I'll go back to CM, click CM on the keyboard, go to load family, then go to plumbing, architectural, fixtures. Then let me bring in my bath first. So bring in, yes, somewhere here. It's okay. So I think I have to adjust the. So let me go to the 3D. Why is it not showing? Let's go back to the floor plan. It's supposed to show, I don't know why, but let's choose the CM again. Then go to wireframe. So the base is at ground level, so we have to adjust the base. Let me go to the elevation, so south. Okay. So everything is on the base level, so I'll select even this. So let me go back to the ground floor. Okay, so you can see that we are doing it at the ground floor, that's why. So we have our components in it. Let's bring the CM load family. Let's bring in the auto closet, yes, to the 3D toilets. Once again, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe, hit on the notification button, like this video, and also comment in the comment section anything that you are confused about or any topic that we want us to discuss about. Okay, let's continue. Thank you. So place it here. Good. So now let's check our FL. Double click on the FL. You can see that some of the components are not showing because their base level is at what, ground floor. So meaning you have to select this, select this one. Let me do it one by one. So select this, go to edit, default elevation. So I'll type in 300 and go to change it to wireframe. Okay, so let me copy, Ctrl C, paste it here. So I'll delete the one on the ground floor. So let me do the component here, because the final floor is what we are going to use for our working drawings. Take note. So CM. Go here and choose the tab rectangle. Yes. So now I think every component is here. Let me select this, change the level towards FL so that it will sit on the oversized concrete. So change it to FL. Change this one to FL. Select this, FL. Select this, FL. So I'll select the walls for this wall. I'm going to increase the thickness of this wall, the line width. So VG on the keyboard. Go to walls, click on it, and cut where we have the lines. I'll click on the override and change the width towards 6 line. Okay, so I'll save my project. Now I'm going to transfer the names of the spaces from the GL to the FL. So I'll select this, press SA on the keyboard, SA on the keyboard, then press Ctrl X on the keyboard, Ctrl X. Then I'll go to FL, then paste, Ctrl V. Okay, so I'll try and let it be in line with whatever that I have. Let me zoom in small. I think it's okay. Yes. Then click on finish here, the top, finish. So you can see that we've transferred everything towards the FL. Let's go to the 3D. Shift plus right click, you rotate around. You can see that we have all our components in it. Set the bath. Where is it? don't know why the toilet with the closet is not showing here. Don't know why. But let's go to the FL. I think I did some elevation or something. FL. So change the elevation back to 0. Live. Click on this. Edit. Okay. Check the 3D. It's supposed to show. I don't know why. It's supposed to show. Let me go back to the FL. Let's go to components. Let me delete this. I think it's 2D that we pick. Yeah, 2D. So CM. You have to pick the 3D. So this is 2D. So this is a 3D. So toilet. If you pick the 2D, it will not show when you go to the 3D. So load family, go back out. This is the 3D. You can see the top rectangular 3D. So there's it. So now let's go back to the 3D. Change it from wireframe to what? Color consistent colors. Take it around. You can see that it is showing here. There's it. Let me turn off the shadow. See that it is showing here. Get it? Yes. This is what we want. We've gotten it. So now we have our components. We have our windows, we have our stairs, we have our doors, we have our bed. So for the kitchen, we will download a separate component for it. So now I think we can continue and finish with our ground floor, the levels. You can see that our building is hanging. Let's go back to the floor plan. So let's try and bring in our land topography. So I'll go to massing and sites, go to topo surface, click on it, then I'll select place point. So for now I'm going to make it something like triangle. So place one here, one here, one here, one here. Let me change it to wireframe for you to see. Okay. Go back to the 3D. So this is what we have. You have to change it to what? Go to south. So now our building is what? Sitting on the soil. Building is sitting on the soil. But then, as you can see here, the floor slab for this one is what's hanging. So you have to draw a wall, and that will serve as the foundation. So before that, let's draw our foundation walls. So I'll go towards the south, then create foundation. So create similar. So let me check the surface. The point is supposed to be 4, but I did 3. You know why it's not coming. Okay. So now that we have it, let's go to the south here. Select this one. I've selected it. Check when you select, so select the level line, right click, create similar. So let's say we are going to use 1000 mm for the foundation, 1000. So it will automatically be negative. And label, click here, label it foundation. Yes. Okay, so I'll just this line, bring it here. Then I'll go to my project browser. Under floor plans, I'll open foundation. Open foundation. So when I open the foundation, you see that here, this place, I don't have anything here. And also this place, nothing is connected to it. So I'm going to draw the foundation. So WA for the walls. You check your edits. So the rate is 150. Yes. Now use the pick line here. I'll select this line, select this line. I'll then select this, change the base to foundation, from foundation to final floor level. Select this, from foundation to what? Final floor level. Then I'll adjust. So AL, or you go to align or AL. You select this line, then you select your wall to be in line. You select this one, you select here. Okay. So now let's check the 3D. You see that yes, you have the foundation. But here we already have the wall here. So we just have to extend it to the foundation. So I'll select this, go to or if possible, let's draw a separate foundation for it. So I'll go to the foundation. Now I have to select all of the walls except these two. So for these two, I'll press shift, select here to deselect them. Then I'll go to where I have my base constraint. So it's supposed to start from the what? Final floor. Okay, so now we don't have it here. So we can draw the foundation, but before we draw the foundation, you have to change the range. So I'll click somewhere here, empty space. I'll go to my project property, go to range base level here, range base underlay. So range base level is none. So I'll change it to what? Final floor. Apply. So you can see that you have your lines here. Then I'll choose my wall, Control or WA on the keyboard, WA. Choose the pick lines. So the foundation, I'm going to click here, but then I have to check the base constraint. This foundation, then the top is supposed to be at what? Final floor. So to connect to the final floor, let me choose the. So I'll click, I'll click, I'll click, I'll click, 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 click. You have to select everything. Since this one, I'll show you something here. Okay, I think everything is okay now. Select this one. Sorry.